Building and designing. When building and designing your artworks, there is no specific way to go about it. Pwede ngang scribble lang from your phone, an artwork you made on Photoshop, a 3D model, or even a photograph of your traditional painting. Pero para sa tutorial na to, we'll be working with Photoshop. Now, we're in the production phase of the project. First, you want to prepare your canvas. We recommend a 1:1 ratio canvas of at least 512 by 512 pixels na size. Next, understand and visualize what you want to create. You can do mock-ups on a paper or even within Photoshop of what you want to build. After you finalize your concept and design, simulan mo nang mag-drawing. If hindi mo kaya mag-freehand, you can look for references online or royalty-free clip arts that you can put together. Kasi ang importante when working with Photoshop, you have to build your artworks in layers. Check out what we did for the Lab sa Bear. If may specific subject din yung project mo, we recommend you start with the backgrounds, then work on the subject. Pero, pwede rin namang vice versa, kung saan ka dapat komportable magtrabaho. After mo gumawa ng design mo, check mo if satisfied ka na. If hindi pa, you can just repeat your process or maybe try something else. Remember, you don't have to rush your artwork. Create not to finish it right away, but to enjoy the process and learn from it na rin. Pero kung may deadline ka, bilisan mo.